I had a trigger finger and it was bent over. I could not move it. I couldn't even open it with my other hand. And it was very, very painful if I did try to open it with my other hand. I don't know where the pain came from. I just do know that there seemed to be like some cartilage or something. There was a lump in the middle of my hand, kind of. My name is Judy and I'm from Howard, Wisconsin. In my spare time, I like to bike, cook, read, lots of things, gardening. So it was this trigger finger that was stuck and very painful. Several months I was dealing with the pain, and when I couldn't get the finger open anymore is when I sought help. The treatments that I tried before were probably like ibuprofen, just for the pain, and I just tried massaging it myself. I just couldn't really get any relief. There was a lot that I couldn't do because it was painful and my finger was really frozen in place, in a bent position. So most of the things that I do, like digging in the dirt, weeding, stirring to make a cake, or chopping things, anything that I did, anything that I did was pretty impossible. It was very, very painful if I could do it. My pain did affect my husband because we gardened together, we, cooked together. He had to chop a lot more veggies in the kitchen. Yeah, it did affect other people because I was a little bit more limited in what I could do. I didn't have any fears about doing this. I had confidence in him. The high-intensity laser therapy does not hurt. There's some warmth there at the spot that it is treating, but it doesn't hurt. And it actually, at times, feels better when you can tell it's hitting the spot that needs to be massaged or treated, whatever exactly happens there. It was very important to me that it was drug-free and non-invasive. Most times when I had any kinds of treatment like that, I would have repercussions, such as ibuprofen helps me, but then later on the pain is worse. I don't know if that's an allergy or what, but I was very happy not to have that. Once I had the treatment, sometimes it'd be sore afterwards, but it would feel better in a couple of days. My expectations were that I'd at least get to move the finger, that I would get movement back and a little bit more flexibility. I'd be able to open the finger and shut the finger. I was hoping that I would get entire flexibility back, which I actually did, so I was very pleased. The care I received here has made a difference because, as I said before, all the hobbies that I have and even the chores like vacuuming are possible again without pain, and also just able to do things, enjoyable things. So it's been wonderful to be able to use my hand again. Well, Dr. Jackson is a very fine young man. I just appreciate him. He's very kind, and he's a lot of fun. He's very gentle in his treatment, and he just really wants to help you get to the best possible function of your body. I would definitely recommend Midwest Pain Solution to others. In fact, I have to many people. I would say just go in. It's a free consultation. If someone wants to come in and they're on the fence, they don't know what they want to do, just come in and explore the possibilities. He'll be honest with you. He'll tell you if he can help you or not. And that's what I really like about Dr. Jackson. He will tell you if he can help or not. And if he is not sure, he will give you a chance to just try some and see if it is helping. Midwest Pain Solution helped me to be able to do so many things that I wasn't able to do before, and that I'm really back to pain-free and very active again.